So, welcome back to this side at Sports TV. I am Rush and I am here, with a very popular figure. I want him to introduce himself so that you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Talk to the people for me.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wally Walters, aka Reggae Tiger, Jamaican Mascot. I am the official mascot of the Reggae Boys and the Reggae Girls. I've been the mascot for the Reggae Boys from 1996, from the World Cup campaign. And I went to France 1998. And I went to many like Gold Cups and so forth and tour with them all in England and thing. And then 2019 when the girls them returned their World Cup campaign in France, I repeat myself to go to the World Cup in Paris 1998 and 2019. So I travel with the team, male and female, the Reggae Girls, the Reggae Boys. I travel over the world with them.
Alright, so today, right?
Yes, sir.
How you feel about the game today? Because we can say the Reggae Boys kind of, they went out there, we're not going to Qatar. How you feel about the girls starting their campaign today and what do you think about the match?
Well, alright, with the Reggae Boys, them, to be honest, they get really a tough fight. They had the referee challenge, Lions personal challenge, so it was difficult for them in those stages to try to come out of the group. Right? But with the Reggae Girls, them now, the game today wasn't that so much excited, but guess what? They come out victorious, and the 3 points, that's necessary. And Khadija, she came under a lot of pressure, and thing. But I think as they go along, they'll get the learning process and they'll pick up. And I can't bear the pressure because she's just coming off our European tour and in England and for our country, our club, and done. So she's not fully just seeing it. But as it goes by, I know she'll make it. But we have a good crop of girls, the ladies them, and they will make it through.
Who's your favorite player in the Reggae Girls team?
Khadija Sharman.
Why? You have to tell me why.
My personal Khadija and my. So right now I have a picture in my house right now with me and Khadija.
I like.
But we take all of France. Yeah, I have a picture with her on my wall right now.